Hi Abdi, this is oorNews.co.uk, the only place that's doing regular articles in Scots about serious things. So if Aberdeen is screaming again technical Scots about anything that's going on in Scotland, but mostly about science. Again, our editor is an engineer, so again, it's mostly about things that's interesting to him. But it's a movement that we're trying to create here with oorNews. So do we tell you a wee bit more about it? And if you want to learn more about it, come along to this part of the website. But I'll just read you a wee bit of our Aboot page, and I'll just again mark it clear what we're doing here. So, oorNews will I bide neutral with regards to political matters and isn't affiliated with any political party or government. So again, the reason that I'm doing that is, again, I want this to be for Abdi, and it's mostly science news, because science is what interests me, and as for reading articles in English about science things, I just thought again, well, I want you to read this in Scots, so that's what got me to do that. But again, it's more than that, because in Scotland, but Scots is that ding doon. We're just again, we just hate about it with Athen being in English, and again with other things going on in the modern world, but just I think that's again there's a different way now. We could hate Athen in Scots if we could hate a good translator. So what I'm doing with oorNews is building this translation database. But Athen on here again is proofread by myself. I'm a native Doric speaker, and my mother's from Glasgow, so and I've been in Shetland, and I've been in the borders. So I've got a good understanding of Scots, but if it's near, let me ken, and we'll try to make it better. So your mission again is to make unbiased factual media in Scots free to Abdi for to uphold the rights as Scots speaking folk to only seeing, hearing and speaking Scots. So folk that speak Scots have a right to live their life in Scots without needing to switch to English, just as Scottish Gaelic or Scottish Gaelic and Welsh speakers are able to do through the provision of media in these leads. So for the rest is lack of provision for Scots speakers, oorNews provides encyclical articles in Standard Scots, aiming to encompass speakers from Ulster to Dundee, as well as the global Scots community. North Scots, covering Aberdeenshire and Moray, referred to as Doric Scots again, and Northern Isles Scots, aiming to encompass Orkney and Shetland. But again, if you still like being put together, let me ken. We could do kind of separate Orkney and a separate Shetland, but folk for the Standard Scots community here, a lot of differences between the way they speak, and there's a lot of differences between Shetland and Orkney. I ken that, but again, it's some folk in Orkney say da, and midder and bridder and things like that, instead of the but some folk in Orkney say thee and thou instead of do and dee. So again, it's not the same, but so my spelling's aligning with Shetlandic, but again, just let me ken if you think about it. And then again, we hate in English for again the global Scots community. But again, the thing is that Scots is for Abdi, and it's for anybody. Again, you can use it just forever, forever and forever. Again, these articles should start conversations in Scots. We should all feel free to speak Scots regardless of the situation, unless there's folk that don't ken Scots here. Again, don't be like obtuse about it, but like yeah, just I get out there and get speaking Scots with Abdi, and oorNews is here to help with articles in Scots, so come along.